Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the different forms, exponential to log form and log form to exponential, to solve some basic equations. Let's take a look at this one right here. I'm using them in the platform that you're going to solve them, because I think this video will be most helpful like that, okay? So if we're going to solve log base x of 125 is 3. All right, so we're solving for the variable is actually the base. So we're solving log base x of 125, and we're saying that is 3. In other words, this is saying x to some power, and not x to some power, the base x raised to the 3 power is 125. That turns out that 5 cubed is 125, but if you didn't know that, you could consult your calculator and say, well, what is 125 raised to the 1/3 power? Or you could use the x root function inside there. It turns out that it's 5. All right, so to solve this, it's actually x is 5. Now, is it true log base 5 of 125 is 3? Yes, because 5 cubed is 125. So the answer there is 3. So we'll answer that one. I mean 5. I don't know why I keep saying 3. If I put that in there, it's going to be wrong. We don't want that. Now let's go back. There's another level here. We'll do one of these. Oh boy, we get a negative this time. Well, if we use our not change of base, that's another formula coming up. But we write x 8 to the negative 2 is x, right? So and we want to write log base 8 of x is negative 2. Log base 8, it's supposed to be an 8, of x is negative 2. Well, using that change in forms to exponential form, this is the base raised to that power. It's equal to what's in the argument. So we're going to write 8 to the negative 2 is x. What's 8 to the negative 2 power? Well, it's 1 over 8 squared, right? So that's actually 1 over 64. And that should be our answer. So change it to exponential, and that should get you there. Let's put that in here and see what we get. 1, and then I think the slash key works good there. Anyway, this should get you started with some of these. Notice they show you how to change your bases and not change your bases, but switch back and forth from exponential to log and all that. So this is helpful for you. In the next videos, they're going to be a little longer. We got to talk about the graphs of these logarithmic functions, and we'll do with some more detail. But this will get you some practice moving through these things and get you more familiar with them. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful for you.